In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone camera not working and fix black screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So first thing you want to do is force close the camera pipeline. So if I go ahead and have the camera open, if I have it open in the background, all I want to do is swipe up and it's going to show my camera selector screen. So all I want to do is flick the camera upwards and then open up the camera again, which is basically going to refresh it and see if that works. What you can also do is open up the camera app and then change your camera. So flip your camera around, go to your front camera and then flip it around and then, go back to your rear camera and see if that works too, because that should work. If that doesn't work though, the final thing you want to do is just execute a hardware force restart. So you want to press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold down the side power button for roughly 10 seconds, and then keep holding the button down and ignore any on-screen slider menus and release it only when the white Apple logo appears on your screen. After that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.